You're welcome back to our channel. So we're going to be diving into something really important today: mobile friendliness. What makes a website mobile friendly, and why is it important in our today's world, in our today's digital space? So the first thing you want to know is, what is a friendly mobile website? What is a friendly mobile website? Now, a friendly mobile website simply is a website or a site that works perfectly on mobile devices. As simple as that. Think about your phones or your tablets, right? Without having necessarily to make do with the desktops, your laptops, or what have you. So that is what a friendly mobile website is: a site that works perfectly on mobile devices of any sort. It adjusts its layout, its buttons, its fonts, its images, as well as its videos to fit into smaller screen sizes. All right, that make that helps users make do of the sites conveniently and comfortably without them having to either zoom in or out or possibly scroll sideways. You know. Now think about the last time you possibly opened a link with a system or with your desktop or with a laptop. You probably cannot remember, and that is because 98% of individuals in our today's world prefers to browse first with their mobile phones. The second thing you want to know are the key features that makes a website mobile friendly. The first is a responsive design. Now this means that layouts, fonts should automatically fit into different screen sizes using flexible grids or possibly using the CSS media queries. The second one under this is readable text without zooming. Now, just like I said before, you don't necessarily need to always pinch in or zoom in and out to read your text, to read your fonts, to view your write-ups. Thus, all text, all fonts should be legible on mobile devices. The third one under these is easy to tap buttons and links. Easy to tap button links. No one wants to struggle through having to tap a tiny link or a little link. You would want to ensure that all of your buttons are completely spaced out or are possibly finger friendly. The fourth one is minimal pop-ups. Now, ads that consistently pops up on mobile devices and are possibly difficult or takes longer duration to close could piss off your users. Yes, and it could make them abandon your site completely. And I'm not sure you want that. The fifth one is fast loading time. Mobile users in our current day and time are so impatient. So impatient. If your site takes like more than 3 seconds to load, they are definitely still going to leave it abandoned, and you are losing clients and customers that way. It's not something you would want. So that's why close coding matter. So these are the 5 key features that makes a website mobile friendly. Now, the third point I'm going to be talking about in this video is, why does it matter so much? About 60% or even over 60% of website traffic, comes from mobile devices. Yes. And if your site is not working well enough, if your site is slow, then you're definitely going to be losing your customers, your clients, or your first time visitors on your site. And you wouldn't want that. Another hint is this: Google cares. Yes, Google cares. Here is what I mean. Um, in 2019, yeah, Google prioritized mobile first indexing. Now, what this means is Google now uses your mobile sites to rank you. So if it is not optimized, you drop in search results. As simple as that. Now, the next tip under this is, a better user experience equals more sales. A better user experience equals more sales. Now, a mobile friendly site keeps the user engaged. Now, what this means is they are able to navigate freely, conveniently, and comfortably on the site. They are able to stay longer, yes, and also they are able to do whatever it is they want to do. If it's booking, making a booking, if it's just subscribing, or just wanting to, view what your website generally is all about. And that would be really healthy for your website, as it's going to attract more clients, more customers. So the fourth one is poor mobile design can hurt you. So this is a real talk here, because if your site is looking clunky, if your site is looking broken, or if your site is looking unattractive, people would leave. Okay? They would definitely leave. And it's not something you want for your brand. They'll see it like, this brand is not ready for business. But a sleek, responsive site attracts clients, calls for trust, and of course, trust drives growth. So the fifth one, or the last that I have on my list today, but not the list, is how to check if your website is mobile friendly. The good news is you can test it. Yes. Firstly, you can use Google mobile friendly tools. Yes. You can view or preview your website in different screen sizes, and then you can either contact a friend or a colleague to check out your website and give feedback. Or you can possibly hire a pro or get a pro to help you audit your site to the best results you can get. Now, mobile friendliness on your website is the go-to. In a world that is glued to smartphones, designing on mobile, it's not just optional, it is standard. And if you want to grow online, then your website has to keep up. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe if you have not subscribed, drop your comments in the comment section as well as questions, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.